What if you could wake up to sparkling Mediterranean waters for the price of a used car? Today, we're diving into 7 hidden gems where you can still buy seaside property starting from just $60,000. From sun-soaked Greek islands to Italy's forgotten coastlines, these are real places, real homes, and your real chance to live the dream, all without a millionaire's budget. Puglia boasts over 800 kilometers of coastline and some of Italy's most beautiful beaches. While direct seafront homes are tightly restricted by planning laws, you can find ready-to-live 2-bedroom apartments within walking distance from the sea, ranging from $60,000 to $70,000, often less if you're open to renovations. Some properties in Bari even face directly onto the water for under $100,000. Later we'll show how Puglia compares with another Mediterranean island, one with better weather and similar prices. Crete stands out as the Mediterranean's largest island and among the most affordable. In Rethymno, you'll find seafront apartments priced between $75,000 and $120,000, about $82,000, $132,000 USD. Want a house right on the water? That's rare in popular zones, but in quieter corners, plots and homes drop dramatically in price. Number 3 will show you a Spanish coast where condos under £150,000 are still possible. Some of the lowest cost Spanish coastlines are right here. In Torrevieja, average home prices hover around £2,200 to £2,400 per metre, meaning modest seaside apartments or townhouses can still fall under $150,000 in less central areas. Although prices surged nearly 15% in 2024-25, demand remains strong and opportunities are still out there. Coming up next, Turkey's coastline, where $90,000 gets you actual waterfront living. Turkey's Turquoise coast offers incredible value. Waterfront 1- or 2-bedroom apartments start at around $85,000 to $120,000. If you head farther from ultra-touristy areas like Bodrum or Antalya, you can still grab beachfront penthouses or houses starting in the $250,000s. Plus, Turkey's residency by investment options make it appealing. But save room, number 5 gets even cheaper and quieter. Sardinia, Italy's second-largest island, is also one of its most affordable. Condos and townhouses in small coastal villages often list for under $150,000, and deeply rustic fixer-uppers go as low as $40,000. True beachfront homes cost from $320,000 and up, but you can still live close to the sea for far less, particularly if you're open to renovation. Coming soon, Montenegro, where only $70,000 gets you near the water. Montenegro is Europe's rising coastal underdog. In lesser-known towns like Bar or Herceg Novi, apartments go for around £1,200 to £3,000 per memtaus. So a 60 metros home can cost between £72,000 and £180,000, depending on finished quality. That's seaside living at a fraction of Western Mediterranean demand. And last, but definitely not least, Sicily closes this list with jaw-dropping bargains. Sicily offers vibrant culture, sunshine, and some of the cheapest Mediterranean property. Standard homes in smaller towns often list around $75,000, and historical storied houses needing renovation sometimes go for $10,000 to $40,000. Coastal luxury homes can hit $300,000 plus, but for value hunters, Sicily is a hidden gem, especially inland or near the south coast. Just remember, expect around 10% extra for taxes and legal fees. We've just uncovered 7 Mediterranean hotspots where seaside property isn't a Hollywood fantasy, it's real and attainable. From Puglia's charm, Crete's island vibe, Costa Blanca's sunshine, Turkey's turquoise waters, Sardinia's beaches, Montenegro's affordability, to Sicily's hidden bargains, there's a coastal dream here for every budget. Which of these excited you the most? Let us know in the comments.